Just a walk up and down like my last in a foreign. Sister man said sick at the one of us, you know. Red tree. Yeah man. Positivity we endorse in a foreign. What go on, I don't know it's Amaziyah the great, I'm tell them precisely. Great way is the gateway what the sunshine will make. Hey. I wish about you over there. Oh. Ohio. Cleveland. Ohio. Tell them precise. Yo, the people in post I wonder how me move up and about, but today all over the globe. Our world. So we feel comfortable for it. You don't know what traverse all about in the earth. That's the great way, the gateway, youths and youths. Wise and realize so now if you rise if you don't want to claim that prize. Tell them precisely. No make nobody tell them say you can't work for what you believe in. Have it moving on, no matter how them a chat me, moving on. You all the youth them from Spanish Town, Jamaica. It's someone said the great represented. Live, big respect, big up on yourself. Big up my picture them Nation and Johnny. So the journey continue. Ohio, Cleveland, or Cleveland, Ohio. You know you want to put it. But you don't know it's a great look. And we're there with progressive move. So look out for greatness as me telling you before. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Great Amaziyah. Tell them precisely. They can't stop the guy. But blaze the fire higher. Tell them precisely. Searching for Keisha. Easterbun. My name is Pam. Stay firm. Those are the short movies that I want to watch on this channel. Great Amaziyah. YouTube.com. Great Amaziyah. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. And I'm on TikTok at Artist Craig Kirkland. Someone said the great, not the worst one. Tell them precisely. So check out the movements. Big up Michelle in New York, just the same. Big up Verona, Naturia. Everybody who been supporting Amaziyah the great. Javan, big up yourself, enough respect our greatness there for go on. You get to me and say, big up Olivia, aka Keisha. Overbreed Keisha coming at you soon, sometime very, very soon. Editing there in a process as we speak. And that's the 3rd edition of the Easterbun Searching for Keisha, Overbreed Keisha. So subscribe to the channel, tell a friend them about it. Share the video, make the people them see and hear about the video. Tell them precisely so. As we say, current location with the right at this moment in time while you watch this video. Cleveland, Ohio. Tell them precisely. And you don't know, not for the people them never know so could have reached this far, but we're there. Never thought I'd reach this far, but look, they keep on open for. Amaziyah the great shine bright like stars. Looking at them feel so surprised they are. 24 Private Road, Fraser's Contents, Spanish Town, Jamaica. A decimal represent, designed for create rhymes. Brand new difference, excellent quality. Lyrically content, you can relate to my rhymes. Me not chat no nonsense. Girls them a smile cause them like me accent. Me used to go dental tech. Well intelligent, me grew up at the bed lane. Me experience hard times now the garrison, now me independent. Me have my label precisely. Great amazement. We go overseas, go endorse it. We're taking it immense. Big up everybody who support the films and embrace my talents because me alone, I couldn't do this all by myself. Ross Shiloh, aka Peter Shiloh. Big up yourself, Spider Eye Great. Enough respect. Tell them precisely. Trodding quality. Kirkland, my little sister. And all of my siblings them. Tanisha, Brandon, the whole family tribe. Big up on yourself. Enough respect. Names too much you mention. So you see everybody who has support my thing over the years. Verona, enough respect just the same. Portland people, them Rasta Rugged. It's a great joy, it's an honor, it's a pleasure to be here in the land of opportunity. Tell them precisely. Them feel like them could have stopped the thing, but they can't. Almighty just say, yo, lead out and set the way. Tell them precisely. I will never stop. I will never forget those who been supporting, who still supporting, and who always will be supported. So it's no joke thing. Just support the thing to the fullest and you don't know. Put effort in pushing out the contents them where we are do positively upon the people them. We ask for no assistance. I have my clothesline, Amaziyah the Great Collections. Check it out on the internet, Google it and you find it. My music and my poems, them available on all digital download streaming platform. That's a go on. Tell them precisely. I reach 8 minutes yet, I want to go 8 minutes. How much more minutes left? 3 more minutes yet? Alright, so I'm going to chat one more thing. For about 3 minutes. The one name respect. You see in both got brands in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, bully for negative remarks, yell out. Want to expect show respect because this was created. America bow down to a legend, honor, greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep a negative remarks to yourself and don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. The problem I encountered every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face, sneaking the creeping, they want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention, focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate, but display more hate. Anger escalate to much alarming crime rates. Your moral slowly deteriorates, and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember you're not alone. So Wagwan, can I get some love now? Oh, sorry, I guess you love your phone. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. We sit down and waste time and I know what time really is. If only you understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite. So why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hate? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired to see me face. My people, it's no joke. Check it out, the respect on YouTube. A poem there going over 90-something thousand views. So go and go check it out, share it and comment about it. Unity is the only solution. We have to stick together as a people if we want to achieve greatness and progress.
20.
Tell them precisely. Big up on yourself and just go and support the mission. I'm out.